Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. This is Tamara's Bargains, and today is the last video of the reviewing and trying on the Saved by the Bell Wet n Wild collection. Today I am doing Jessie Spano's collection and seeing how that looks. I did Kelly Kapowski, Lisa Turtles, and did an unboxing. I will link all those videos down below. If this is your first time ever viewing my videos, I hope you decide to stay and subscribe to my channel. So don't forget to hit that bell icon button to be notified when I upload my future videos. And as always, I say grab your coffee, your tea, and your snacks, and let's get right into this video. I got the weekend vibes going, and I hope you guys had a blessed and awesome Christmas and holidays that you celebrated with your family and loved ones. So cheers, let's get into this video. Now, I do apologize for not posting it yesterday. I figured I wasn't gonna get a lot of views because Christmas and everybody's spending time with their family and loved ones. So, and I wasn't feeling too good. I was resting and chilling with my family. So we had a blessed day. We had a lot of fun. The kiddos loved all their presents. But me and my husband sat up on Netflix and chilled and watched Ozark. So we're going back on the seasons and catching up because Ozark is going to be out January 21st. So I'm so excited about that. Let me know what your favorite Netflix movie or series is down in the comments below. But right now, we're totally watching Ozarks, and it's great. I love that series. All right, so certain parts, just so that you're not watching a long video, I'm gonna go right through it. So let me just hurry up and get into it. I already did my eyebrows and my makeup for my face. So I did my sunscreen, I did my vitamin C serum, my foundation, my BB cream, all of that. So that's all in the first video if you want to check that out. So this is gonna be It's All Right with Jessie and AC Slater on this blush set or bronzer set. Well, this one actually looks like a blush set. The other two looked like bronzers, Lisa and Kelly's. So this is a blush set of Jessie's and AC Slater. And this one says, "You macho pig" and "Oink oink baby." So it's pretty funny because they were pretty funny when it came to their little, how their relationship was. So I'm gonna use a kabuki brush and I'm gonna go Oink Oink Baby, which is the purpler color or the darker pinker color or more of a mauve color. And that's gonna go along. Oh wow, that shows up pretty bright. Whoa. Almost looks like I put too much on there. Hold on. Oh yeah. Ooh. Well, that's a lot. Okay, so hold on, let me pause it, do a Zach Morris timeout, and let me correct it. Okay, so I blended it in with my Beauty Blender like sponge. That went on just so basically, when it comes to this color, you don't need to put a whole bunch on the little brush. So now I'm going to use this for the first time. Their actual blush brush. Oh, that was so backwards. So I'm going to use a little of the pink because I'm already pretty pink. So just right over the Oink Oink Baby. So that's that, and those are what those two colors look like. All right, so that was really pink, like really pink. All right, so let me go ahead and get into the eyes. And it was actually funny the other night on Christmas Eve when I got done doing everything, the cooking, the wrapping the presents, and putting them in the tree and everything. I was watching Jimmy Fallon when he did the remake of the reunion with Zach, Kelly, himself, AC Slater, and Jessie, and it was pretty funny, so you should check that out. So I think I'm gonna use, I just don't see her in the blue colors for real. I think I'm gonna go for the darker colors down in these corners right over here. So those are gonna be Go Bayside, which is this one. Hall Pass, I'd use that the first day. Checkmate and Beat Valley. So I'm gonna go with these colors. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it real quick because my nose is running and I just wanna hurry up and go through this video. So I do apologize, guys, but let me go ahead and start this and I'll explain it when I get done. Okay, so the colors that I end up using was, I used, oh yeah, I did use all of them, but I actually added this one right here at the top, which is Time Out, just to go in all over. And then I started from this color above, over here, all over the eye. Then I went from the corners for these 3 colors. So that's what's going on all in the corner, as I have all 3 colors. And then underneath my eyes, I went this color right here, which is Go Bayside. So we got Time Out, Go Bayside, wait, Time Out, Hall Pass, Go Bayside, Beat Valley, and Checkmate. So those are the colors I went in on my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the mascara and the eyeliner, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I did my eyeliner and my mascara, as you can see. So I'm gonna close my eyes one more time and get a close-up so you can see how my face looks, or my eyes, and that's the outcome of it. Then I went ahead and topped off the lipstick with the Jessie Spano set, and this is what it looks like. Like I said, I just wanted to hurry up, get through this video and post it. Out of all my favorite sets, I'm gonna say I loved all of Kelly Kapowski's colors on me. They all looked great. As far as all the eyeshadows went on beautiful. But I used more the e.l.f. brush when it came to putting it on, because the other ones weren't that great to me as far as the brushes go. But as far as, maybe it's just me just not wanting to get the new brushes all messed up, but out of the whole set, this for $28, again, yes, $28. I'm gonna link the Ulta website down below in the description in case you want to buy it as a last minute Christmas present or a gift for yourself. Maybe you got a gift card to Ulta Beauty. So this was a perfect buy. I really liked it. Everything was amazing. Like, every time I've been putting on the makeup the last couple of days, it lasts all day long, so you don't have any issues of it falling off or anything like that. So it's a great set. The second that I loved was Lisa Turtle's colors on me. I thought those were really pretty. And then as far as Jessie's colors, this went on, I wish this one was the same for all of them as far as going on so fast and just so bright. The pigmentation on this was crazy, so you barely do have to put any of that on. The only thing, like I said, also too, I wasn't crazy about was this mascara. I was actually replacing it with Ioni, which is shocking to me because that's a Dollar Tree brand, I believe, or, you know, they sell it at Dollar Tree, and it works really, really well. So this is my review on it. It's a great set. It's great for teenagers, great for a flashback for us 80 babies or 90 babies, whatever, have it. But yeah, this was the full set. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a blessed weekend, and I'll see you on Tuesday.